Rhinos. Big, strong rhinos have long horns on their noses. They are the second largest land mammal. Only elephants are bigger. Did you know? Rhino is short for rhinoceros. And the word rhinoceros means nose horn. Rhinos live in groups called a crash or herd in Africa and Asia. What would you think a tough-looking rhino might eat? Wildebeest, maybe? No. Rhinos are herbivores, which means they graze on grass and small vegetation. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Can you see their thick, wrinkly skin? It's so thick, it acts to protect them. And their horns are made of a material which is very similar to your hair or fingernails. Young rhinos, or calves, are very cute. They also have small horns and love to jump around. Would you like to see a wild rhino? Me too! We'll all have to do our best to look after them. Click on the videos above to see more amazing animals. And be sure to subscribe.